If you are proceeding straight ahead through a double lane roundabout, and if the left lane does not turn left, or if there's no street on the left hand side at all, if you are in the left lane proceeding straight through, you should not give way to traffic coming from your right hand side, as they should not change lanes inside of the roundabout, and also they could not proceed straight, in which case you would have to give way. Just to briefly clarify, the vehicle from the right lane could not cross your path. That driver should not change lanes in the middle of the roundabout. But the second reason, there's no exit. Having said that, I have to warn you that not every driver understands they shouldn't change lanes in the middle of the roundabout. So you have to be very cautious anyway. In this situation here, you will see there's a street on the left-hand side and you can turn left. So you can traffic that's coming from your right-hand side crossing your path, which means that you have to give way to them. By the way, the straight arrow in the right lane does not represent that you're not allowed to make a U-turn here. So don't get confused about that. So the main difference between the previous situation and this situation is we can't assume that the car from the right hand side is not going to be crossing our path because there's an exit here. So you have to adjust your approach speed accordingly. In the next situation, you will see there's no right hand side street, so there's no exit to the right. So once again, don't get confused about the straight pointing arrow in the right lane because it does not represent that the U-turn here is not permitted. In a moment, you'll see how the vehicle in the far left lane is not giving way. The driver is proceeding straight, which is perfectly fine because I cannot cross their path unless I change lanes. There was no street on their left hand side, no exit on the left. What you just saw is exactly the same situation as the first scenario in this video, just shown from a different perspective. The last piece of advice in this video, don't change lanes prematurely. Wait until the lines become fully broken and then change lanes. So don't rush changing lanes, and also switch off your indicator if you're approaching a street that you're not turning on. Don't risk misleading any road users that might believe that you're turning left, and if that's you, don't trust blinkers. As always, feel free to ask any questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.